What is up, XRP community? Good morning and thank you for joining me. A lot of stuff is going on in the crypto markets today. And this Wednesday, I believe we have the FOMC as well. But Binance, the world's largest exchange, is allegedly the next one to go down. People are saying there's rumors it's insolvent. As we see this headline right here, Binance's alleged crypto audit failed. Not even its auditor would vouch for it. So CZ Binance has been in the works the past month talking about how he's getting his crypto exchange, the largest crypto exchange in the world by far, audited. Just yesterday, it came out that the auditors would not go through with the audit for a lot of reasons. They won't vouch for the reserves. And if you look at this tweet right here from Doge Toshi, a big person in the crypto community, he says current status, and he links this picture. And this is withdrawals from Binance. And you see about 12 withdrawals here. The last one, 22 minutes back. Excuse me. You have someone withdrawing 30 million Tether, $2 million, $1.8 million, $2 million, $1.8 million, 300 Bitcoins, 800 Bitcoin, 800 Ethereum, 4 million USDC. This is just in the past 20 minutes, guys. So if you know what a bank run is, this is the crypto equivalent of a bank run. People are taking off their money in droves from Binance. And just to back up what this guy from Paxful is saying, he's preaching Bitcoin self-custody, advises against crypto exchanges. This is a time in crypto where everyone is kind of having a big distrust for crypto exchanges. And you see that right here with just in the past 20 minutes, 50 million dollars being withdrawn from Binance. So imagine this over a 24-hour period. The response says, when there's smoke, there's fire. So if you guys don't already have a ledger, get one of these ledger wallets. It's the best way to store your crypto. It's the most secure. It's called a cold storage wallet. I have one of both of these. I think this Ledger Stacks is a new product. I don't have one of those, but any one of them works. It really doesn't matter which one you get. Just be very safe with it and don't trust anyone with it. Don't buy it off Amazon as well, because there's a lot of scammers that will sell you fake ones. But check out Ledger, links in the video description below. And this is very exciting stuff right here, guys. I don't always like to look at the charts and do technical analysis, because a lot of the time, the charts, it doesn't really matter what's going on. When you have something like FTX exchange having a meltdown, the whole crypto market tanks. These black swan events do not care what's on the price charts. Now, Crypto Insight UK says, I focused on the XRP weekly charts this morning, and the results were interesting. So I thought I'd share them with you below. Pardon me, guys. I'm a little bit sick, but I'm still trying to get out this content. Grab yourself a coffee and enjoy. I guess that's a tune to sip my coffee. So let's get into this. Firstly, I want to focus on the standard XRP chart. There have only been two other occasions marked number 1 and 2 in the picture. So this is in 2017, and this was in 2020. In the past 5 years, where we have seen upwards consolidation, both of these occasions led to a breakout. Upwards consolidation meaning higher lows and higher highs. In number 1, right here on the chart, there was a 1,500% breakout. 15x return. $1 turned into $15. In 2020, period 2, there was a 700% breakout, which is a 7x. Right now, we're at period 3. Who knows where the chart will go after this? But keep in mind, XRP is the only token that never hit all-time highs in this last bear market, or last bull market, right? XRP definitely has the potential to hit all-time highs and then some. And what's interesting about this is this is at the same time where the lawsuit is coming to an end, right? The lawsuit can't go on much longer. It can't be another year. If anything, it's another month. And the chart, men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. Now, charts sometimes lie, but it's looking very bullish here. Next, I'd like to zoom in on zones 2 and 3. There are many similarities. On both occasions, we double tapped with slightly higher lows, a price range. Then we had a failed breakout, followed by further accumulation. And then in zone 2, and he shows zone 2, there's a fake breakout, then more accumulation, and then the launch. Right now, in the current chart, we've had this fake breakout. We went up here, we got rejected, and we've had some accumulation. And he speculates in this picture, is the launch coming next? Lastly, on this chart, the RSI, sitting below the 45.6 level. When above this level, it seems we have the foundation for explosive price action. So, in the history of this chart, in history, doesn't always repeat itself, but it rhymes. Anytime we get to this level of the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, it's a metric to show if an asset's overbought or oversold. Every time we get above that level, we have explosive booms, right? Boom, 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 boom. So we're at that level right now, and the rest of the chart's looking good as well. So I like what we see. He just goes on to show other bullish things in the chart. But bottom line is, XRP is clearly in a strong position, and if you take the fundamentals of the lawsuit and everything else going on, it's a good time to be in XRP. And now I want to play this clip from Crypto Erie. And if you guys enjoy my videos, make sure you hit the like button. It does a lot for the channel, so thank you in advance if you hit the likes. And if you guys want $41 guaranteed in free stocks, signing up with Webull, depositing a penny, can get you up to $15K in free stocks. Now, typically, you'll just get $40 to $300, but it's a great deal because you get a guaranteed $40 value just for signing up and depositing a penny. If you're interested in some free stocks, great deal. Links in the video description below. And this is the head of global equities for Bank of America, and he says something I've been saying a lot recently.
So firstly, as a bank, when you're regulated by Senator Warren and all the other regulators and the Senate and the House and our Fed and OCC, they take it very seriously. When you have 70 million Americans' money and they don't want you to do stuff that could put that deposits at risk. So as a firm, we can't, apart from writing research, we can't really do much in crypto. And most of the banks cannot really do anything in crypto. Hence, you have this whole parallel universe emerging where they're unregulated and 28 million Americans at the peak were trading crypto, away from the banks, quite frankly. And we could see it. Our money was going from our private clients through channels to Coinbase. And that's all kind of stopped now because obviously of the correction in crypto. But look, I think that there is going to be room and kind of like it's all thrown in one sort of smorgasbord, but blockchain opportunities are going to be really exciting and really efficient, and there's going to be opportunities there. Tokenization is going to be a very big topic, and I think there's money to be made there. Two things. One, blockchain development, blockchain companies, people who can break transactions into pieces, very interested. On crypto trading and building that business as a business owner to get the flow from people not punting in it, but building that business so they can deal with retail crypto derivatives, crypto custody, crypto this.
So the point has been made. Banks can't do much in crypto because there's no regulation, right, around tokens like XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Now, Bank of America we've had this quote from Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, saying Bank of America is on the sidelines and Bank of America is ready to use XRapid and XRP as soon as there's regulation. All these big banks, they use Xcurrent, Ripple's real-time data settlement tool. This doesn't involve XRP, and it's been a long criticism of XRP because Ripple has two products, Xcurrent, which doesn't use XRP, and XRapid, which provides on-demand liquidity and does use XRP. Now, Ripple is already in the door of all of these banks with their product Xcurrent, right? Because that doesn't involve any cryptocurrency assets. It just provides real-time settlement. XRapid, once there's regulatory clarity, ideally in the future around XRP, all these banks are already using one of Ripple's products, and it's much easier to sell to someone if they've already adopted one of your products. The reason they can't use it right now, like we just heard from head of global equities at Bank of America, this guy right here, is there's no regulation. Now, Ripple's totally in the right position to onboard these people because they've already onboarded them onto one product. All right, if you guys are still watching the video, comment Rosie Rios below. This is the ex-treasurer of the United States who's on the Ripple board. If you're still listening to the video, you made it to the end, and I really appreciate that. It helps the video. So let me know you made it to the end by commenting Rosie Rios. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Until next time.